Vitomira Lonkar, a former Croatian actress living in China, said she's impressed with the Chinese culture. In 2016, Lonkar chose to settle in China's Xi'an and worked as a professor at Xi'an Eurasia University. Recently, she visited the Shanxi Archaeological Museum to explore China's prehistoric civilization through the artifacts unearthed from over 4,000 years ago.
In China, I started my new life, and I also discovered my new identity, part of Chinese identity. I know from Qin dynasty, I know from Zhou dynasty, but this, what I saw today, is even deeper in the past. You can have a better starting point for cross-cultural communication. So your culture impressed you, but also impressed me. Every time when I meet a new piece of Chinese culture, I'm always impressed. You must come and you must see all those museums. Every day you must learn new things. You must see how deep this history is. You can be more confident. You can be more proud.